Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is just a follow-up on my previous upload where I showed you how to set up a template document for KDP and create a book. As you move on to the next step, it's essential to know how to properly lay out the cover and spine with the correct sizing, as this will not be the same as the interior pages. I'll show you how to download the correct size template for your cover and adjust the content accordingly to suit printer requirements. Let's dive in. First, head over to this website where you can download a cover template for your book. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Next, just fill in the information that's suited to you. I'm running with paperback book, premium colour, left to right pagination, and I like my measurements to be in millimeters. If you haven't gone with the standard size that Amazon provides, you can click on the custom option at the bottom. If you followed my previous tutorial, you should have a document set up that looks just like this, with guides for the trim and central guideline for the spine. Place your cover design on the right and your book blurb on the left. This next part is just going to be for people who don't know the trim size of their document. Trim size just refers to everything within the guidelines that we've created. Everything outside of that is called bleed. You can easily determine trim size by taking into account the amount of bleed that you added previously. In my last tutorial, we added 0.6 cm to both the width and height for bleed. So to do this, go to Image menu, click Canvas Size, and simply subtract 0.6 cm from the width and height, and click Apply. Your document should now be cropped precisely to the guidelines. Next, with the Crop tool, crop from the left side to the centre, and then go Image menu and select Canvas Size, and change the units from centimetres to millimetres. These are the dimensions you'll use to get your template. I'm going to input 200 pages just as an example, and then click Calculate Dimensions. It's also worth noting that if you want text on the spine, they'll only print it if the book is over 79 pages. On the left hand side of the page, download template and locate the file in your documents. Right click the zip folder and extract the files. Now with Photoshop open, make sure to drag the PDF file, not the JPEG, into Photoshop, or you can go to File menu, Open, and locate the file that way. Next, go back to your cover document and go to Window menu and check that History panel is set to On. You can go back through the history until your double page spread is revealed with the bleed around the edge. Ensure that all your document layers merged into one also. You can select all the layers on the right while holding Shift and right click and click Merge. Next, go to the Select menu, select all and go Edit Copy, go to the Amazon cover template and go Edit Paste Special, Paste in Place. It's worth setting up a center guide at this stage by going to View menu, New Guide, and in the option choose Vertical and type in 50 into the position and make sure to follow it with the percentage sign. Using a box selection tool, drag a box from the bottom right corner to the top center guideline. You'll need this selection on a separate layer, so go to Edit Cut and then Edit Paste Special and then Paste in Place. Now using the black arrow tool, drag the front cover to the far right hand side of the design and it should snap to the edge. Now choose the layer below in the Layers panel and select the black arrow tool and repeat the process again by dragging the back cover to the left hand edge. For the spine of my book, I'm just going to use a solid purple colour. So drag a selection box larger than the space between the two pages and make a layer below the covers. Now you can just choose the colour suited to your book. I'm going to pick a colour from the purple cover and just use the fill tool to fill the selection box. To check everything is in the right position in your design, you can drag the template layer from the bottom layer to the top layer. You can drag a selection box over the spine, which means when you turn off the layer using the eye icon in the left of the layer on the layers panel, you can see if the spine you created is in the right place. You can repeat this process with the barcode to see if it interferes with the blurb on the back of the book. As you can see, mine's a little close to the type, so I would need to adjust this. If everything's in place and ready to go, save it as a JPEG, ready to convert it to a PDF later. That's everything for today, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and if you like the video, give us a like and subscribe, and see you next time.